UTECH इंडिया एक्सपो एंड PRS इंडिया 2024 मुंबई में आयोजित होगा भारत का पहला सस्टेनेबल पॉलीयूरेथेन, फोम और प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग एक्सपो। भारत में पॉलीयूरेथेन और प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग उद्योगों में सतत विकास को बढ़ावा देने के लिए एक नया मंच स्थापित होने जा रहा है। मीडिया फ्यूजन एंड क्रेन कम्युनिकेशंस ने घोषणा की है कि 4 से 6 दिसंबर 2024 तक मुंबई में यूटेक इंडिया सस्टेनेबल पॉलीयूरेथेन एंड फोम एक्सपो UTECH ISPUF और प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग शो इंडिया PRSI का आयोजन किया जाएगा। ये पहला ऐसा आयोजन होगा जहां पॉलीयूरेथेन और फोम से लेकर प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग तक सतत विकास से जुड़े सभी पहलुओं पर चर्चा होगी। इस एक्सपो में बायोपॉलीमर्स, नवीनतम रिसाइकलिंग मशीनरी और अत्याधुनिक फोम तकनीकों जैसी नवीनतम तकनीकों को प्रदर्शित किया जाएगा। इस घोषणा के अवसर पर जियो कन्वेंशन सेंटर में आयोजित प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस में उद्योग जगत के कई प्रतिष्ठित पेशेवरों ने भाग लिया, जिनमें बिल्डर्स एसोसिएशन ऑफ इंडिया से श्री अनिरुद्ध नखवा, ड्यूरोफ्लेक्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से श्री वीरेंद्र कुमार, पशुपति ग्रुप से श्री सौरभ गोयनका, श्री राम राघव इकॉमर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से श्री नितिन शर्मा, डोडिया ग्रुप से श्री गुरुराज चौहान, P.H. पटेल इंडस्ट्रियल मैन्युफैक्चर्स पॉलीमेट्रिक्स से श्री हृदयेश पटेल, दालमिया पॉलीप्रो से श्री प्रतीक दालमिया, जय इलास्टोमर्स प्राइवेट लिमिटेड से श्री जयंत खाडीलकर, एसोसिएशन ऑफ PET रिसाइकलर्स भारत से श्री शैलेंद्र सिंह, इंडिया एसआई ग्रुप से श्री संतोष पाटिल और स्पैब एडहेसिव से श्री गौरव विठलानी शामिल थे।
काफ़ी अच्छा प्रोग्राम था। दिस इज़ अ गुड इनिशिएटिव बाय PRS इंडिया and I think it gives us recyclers and many others such as our company give a platform to talk about what all they're doing and how they're working towards betterment of the industry and the ecosystem as a whole. PRS इंडिया में पहली बार हो रहा है। ये लगातार बाहर यूरोप में और दुबई में होता आ रहा है और आई थिंक इंडिया में प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग की बात अब शुरू हो रही है। इट्स अ हॉट टॉपिक राइट नाउ एंड इट्स अ बज़वर्ड इन इंडिया, सस्टेनेबिलिटी। सो आई थिंक दिस इज़ द राइट टाइम फॉर अ शो लाइक PRS इंडिया being happening in India so that it gives a platform to us recyclers, to the other stakeholders, the big corporates, the FMCGs to get together and really talk about how we can work towards betterment of the industry as a whole.
प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग से पर्यावरण को कितना इसमें मिलेगा महत्व? रिसाइकलिंग ज़्यादा होने से पर्यावरण की स्वच्छता बढ़ेगी?
सर ऐसा है कि अभी प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग क्या कहते हैं कि जैसे प्लास्टिक को कहते हैं कि एक नेसेसरी ईविल है। अनलेस यू हैव एन ऑल्टरनेटिव दैट इज़ मच चीपर एंड मच durable that plastic is, you have to work towards work with plastic and unless you can really bring down consumption of virgin plastic, you have to work towards plastic recycling and there's this notion that plastic is bad for the environment. It is, but if we throw it and recycle it responsibly, then it's it's not that much of a problem. We just need to talk about it and work as a community towards it.
इसके महत्व को समझाने के लिए और कितना समय हम लोगों तक लगेगा? आप लोगों का जो ये मुहिम चल रही है, आप लोगों तक पहुँचने में कितना?
प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग के बारे में हम लोग भी काम कर रहे हैं। हम लोग भी वी नीड टू वर्क ऑन बोथ एंड्स विद द अपस्ट्रीम एंड द डाउनस्ट्रीम। हम लोग जैसे 3-4 जो स्टेक होल्डर हैं, जो कंज्यूमर्स हैं, रिसाइकलर्स हैं, बिग कॉर्पोरेट्स हैं जो ये प्लास्टिक मार्केट में डालते हैं, तो वी ऑल नीड टू वर्क टुगेदर एंड एज कंज्यूमर्स we need to become more aware of how to segregate plastic at source and throw waste responsibly and to make sure that it's going in the proper stream that it can. As recyclers, you need to make sure that the plastic is being handled responsibly and socially responsibly, and ethically as per se, and uh, and we sort it more efficiently and make the best out of it. And as big corporates and FMCG companies, they need to work towards design for recyclability. That's the term that we use, and so that it makes the packaging, uh, handling of the waste better, and sorting of the waste better.
Say, I'm V.S. Shankar. I'm representing Duroflex. We are a 60-year-old company. We're headquartered in Bangalore. We have a pan-India operation, and currently we are the second largest manufacturer and seller of polyurethane foam in India. And basically we are more into the comfort solutions, wherein the foams are consumed for mattress and furniture application. And currently we have a network of more than 250 distributors, 5,000 retailers, and close to 6,000 carpenters who are promoting our foam in pan India. And the challenges, as I mentioned, the industry faces is the price fluctuation of the raw material, because the main raw materials are TDI and polyol, which is derived from the petrochemical products. So as the oil price fluctuates, there is a increase and decrease in the RM, which finally affects the cost of the polyurethane foam. And then the second is dependence on the import. So the global supply chain distraction also affects the supply of the raw material. And third, this industry is dominated by the unorganized sector. So there is a price competition between the branded and the local players. So, and that trend is increasing day by day because of the mushrooming of small units across India. And then we have the environmental and regulatory concerns. And I also see the shortage of skilled laborers in this industry. And as I said, the pan-India players are only few, 2 to 3. So the investment in terms of building a strong R&D and to have a continuous innovation to develop a better quality polyurethane foam is limited only with few players. So these are some of the challenges. And coming to the industry, it's growing at 6 to 8 CAGR. And with the economy booming, the demand for polyurethane foam is increasing day by day.
सर गवर्नमेंट से कितनी सहायता मिल पा रही है इस सेक्टर को?
गवर्नमेंट से सबसे बड़ी सहायता तो अभी रिसेंटली ये मिला है कि जो जीएसटी इंट्रोड्यूस होने के बाद जो अनएथिकल प्रैक्टिसेस इस इंडस्ट्री में पहले लोग करते थे वो अभी जो है काफ़ी मिनिमाइज हुआ है, एलिमिनेट तो नहीं हुआ, पर मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि अभी जीएसटी आने के बाद जो है काफ़ी वो रेगुलराइज हुआ है।
तो पर्यावरण को कितनी सहायता मिलेगी, कितनी स्वच्छता बढ़ेगी प्लास्टिक रिसाइकलिंग से इंडिया में?
सस्टेनेबिलिटी प्रैक्टिस अभी जो है बड़े प्लेयर्स यूज़ करने लगे हैं, तो आगे हम देखेंगे कि इको फ्रेंडली प्रोडक्ट्स जो है इस इंडस्ट्री में ज़्यादातर आएंगे, क्योंकि इसमें एजुकेशन और अवेयरनेस कंज्यूमर लेवल पे भी कम है जो अभी दिन ब दिन बढ़ता जा रहा है। तो दैट इज़ पुटिंग प्रेशर ऑन द कंपनी ऑल्सो टू मेक सेफ प्रोडक्ट्स फॉर एप्लीकेशन कंजम्पशन।
आम लोग हैं, उनको एक अपने माध्यम से क्या संदेश देना चाहेंगे?
आम लोगों को मैं यही कहना चाहता हूँ कि पहले तो जो फॉर्म आप यूज़ कर रहे हैं उसके बारे में अच्छी तरह समझिएगा कि उसका बेनिफिट क्या है, उसमें क्या रॉ मटेरियल जाता है ये बनाने में, और ये कितना आपको जो है हेल्पफुल है इन टर्म्स ऑफ सेफ्टी एंड हेल्थ। खाली प्राइस पे ही आप ना जाइए, उसका जो है क्वालिटी और ब्रांड कॉन्शियस जो है वो रहना ज़रूरी है।
मुंबई बीएमसी भी प्लास्टिक रिसाइकिल यूज को मिक्स करके सीमेंट कंक्रीट में सड़कों में यूज करने वाली, इसको लेकर के आप?
No, I am not the right person to answer.
Namaste. My name is Santosh Patil. I am representing company called SI Group India Limited. SI Group is a US-based company and having almost 19 plants in 20 countries. The products what we offer to the industry is mainly from the servicing mainly the tire, rubber, adhesive, oil field, fuel and lube. When it comes to plastic sector, we have a different solutions to offer to the industry. It's starting from main antioxidants, stabilizers, UV stabilizers. Again, you have anything to add?
So, like we SI group, we are mainly in the global leader for performance additives and plastics. Now we are supplying to all the upstream manufacturers for like polyolefins, LLDP, HDP, and polyolefin, and we works with all that in plastic industries in India. Currently, we have launched our recycling products. This brand name is Evercycle. So these products has been launched by SI Group 2 years ago. We are a MNC. Now we are promoting this product in India, and we have started working to recyclers in India also. Because what happens when that recycle streams enters into for that recycling, like for the extruder, they are without any protection. So it will cause the degradation. Then it will affect the final performance of the material, so which is not required. That's why we come with a solution, a number of series of Evercycle, and we have a product which is proved to be very effective for that PET bottle to bottle recycling. And when it comes to the norms, like we are also aware about the norms so that the recycled content into increase in that final product up to 30%, and final requirement is 50%. So we are also keeping this mind while designing our additives. And the main thing is like we want to work together with the industries, and without a collaboration it's very difficult to success as a additive manufacturers to bring value to the end product. So that's why we are participating in the PRS to have a good collaboration to all the recyclers in the India, and we are looking forward for a fruitful interaction during the expo.
rPET resin. Yeah. Dodia Group from last 7 years, they are into recycling. They are manufacturing yarns from the flakes. We collect bottles and we make flakes from last 6 to 7 years. Now from recently we have started B2B project from the flakes. But the challenge is of nowadays the challenge is to collection of bottles, where we face the main problem. But still we are managing, and now we are waiting for the government mandate, which is expected in April. Then it is a good move by everybody to clear the garbage from the you know from the country, because many people they plastic is this is not biodegradable, so we have to do something on this. So we have started a project where we can help the country, and our capacity is around 50,000 per annum, and it may next it may go to 75,000.
गवर्नमेंट का इसमें कैसा हेल्प और मिल रहा है इस सेक्टर?
Yeah, government, they are very much supportive. I think they are coming up with 30% use of rPET by April 25.
Good morning. My name is Tahir Patrawala, and I am the MD of Media Fusion. We are a 17-year-old company based in Dubai, and we have an office in Mumbai. Plastic Recycling Show is a global brand organized by Crane Communications, our partners, and Media Fusion. Together we are launching it in the first time in Mumbai from 4th to 6th of December. We have close to 100 plus exhibitors, and we are targeting 10,000 plus visitors. Plastic Recycling Show is very important for India at this point of time, where all the brands are looking for recycled content and managing the plastic waste. So this show will be an ideal platform where all the brands plus the technology providers plus the recyclers and the local civic bodies will come and meet the entire community together. This show has been supported by the Alliance to End of Plastics, the Indian Plastic Institute, the Packaging Association of India, and we feel that this is going to be a right platform for the entire industry to come meet and network. Institutions are going to visit the exhibition, because once they visit, they will understand what are the technologies available, what are the brands, what are the key legislations they should now make in their policies for improving the entire plastic recycling industry. Now plastic recycling industry के साथ we also have one more exhibition which is called the UTECH Sustainable Foam and Polyurethane Show, which again Media Fusion is doing with Crane Communications together. This show is supported by the Builders Association of India, the Architecture Association of India, and we are targeting around close to 45 plus exhibitors, and it is a combination of flexible and rigid foam. One of the key brands who is a major supporter for UTECH India is Duroflex, and Duroflex is the main sponsor of this event. Now this event will solve the problem of the PU industry. People who are in the PU industry, where the PU application is for the mattresses, for foams, for building, for insulation, for sandwich panel, this is the exhibition where they can find new technologies, sustainable technologies, where they can come and check which are the green and eco-friendly initiatives taken over here for them to come and take back into their businesses.